How to unlock permanently locked Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then fix permanently locked Snapchat accounts. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to unlock a permanently locked Snapchat account, it could be happening due to multiple reasons. One of the most likely reasons that your Snapchat account is locked in the first place is because you have integrated your account with third-party services. So let's say you were trying to increase your Snap score and then you simply use some third-party applications or plugins. First of all, what I want you to do is just go ahead and uninstall any of the third-party apps for Snapchat that you've downloaded and try to unlink your account from any of the third-party or some of those services and plugins. Once you've done that, instead of opening the Snapchat account, because basically our account is of course locked, what we will do is we will just go ahead and launch the Google Chrome browser or any of the browser which you wish. You can also do this process from your PC if you want to. And in the search box, what you want to do is you just need to go to accounts.snapchat.com/accounts/unlock. So I'll make sure to leave this link down in the description box. I want you to go over and check it out, which is basically called accounts.snapchat.com/accounts/unlock, and then hit the go button at the bottom right. Once you hit the go button, now first it might ask you to go ahead and then log into the Snapchat account. So just try to enter the credentials and log into the account which is currently locked over here. So I'll also just go ahead and then do that. So once I go ahead and then log into my account, you'll see this kind of interface which says locked account. So it says that if you received a message saying that your Snapchat account has been temporarily locked, please wait and try logging in and after several hours. So most of the times waiting up to 24 days or sometimes within a few days is basically going to help you solve your problem. But however, if your account has been locked for an extended period of time, you can try to unlock your account by clicking the unlock button below. But before we do that, it also gives us a little disclaimer that says that you must uninstall any type of third-party apps, plugins, and tweaks before trying to unlock your account. So as I said earlier, if you have integrated or associated your account with any type of third-party services, you first need to go ahead and uninstall and unlink your account from those type of plugins. Once you've done so, it might ask you to also verify the captcha at the bottom, which is basically the I'm not a robot captcha. If it asks you, that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't, then that's also perfectly fine. All you have to do is just go ahead and tap on the button that says unlock, which is at the bottom of the screen. Now try to tap on the unlock button, and now you can see it says success. We have successfully unlocked your account. Thank you for your patience. Now you can just go ahead and then launch the Snapchat app, try to log into your account and see that whether or not that your account has been successfully unlocked. And this is how you can unlock a permanently locked Snapchat account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.